Hello guys, so today it's another vlog, and today's vlog guys, we have the DJI RS4 Pro, yeah? And we have also here the A7S Mark III with 70-200 f2.8 G Master 2. So yan, we'll try to balance this camera and lens. It's the first time we will balance with 70-200. So most of our how to balance is 24-105 or 24-70. But so this vlog, if you have a 70-200 with any Sony, and if you want to balance, we will try to balance with the new DJI RS4 Pro. And guys, without further ado, let's start now. Okay, first I have already my small plate, yan, from the gimbal. Okay, just put here. But again, before you start, make sure that you lock all the yeah, this is okay. All these three parts. So you need to lock all this one, and done. Just lock also the plate. Yeah, make sure that's secured and locked. Now you need to unlock this this part. Yeah, unlock this part so that we can balance this. For balancing, actually it's balanced already, but if not, you can see forward and backward using this knob. Yan, for balance, okay. Yan. Then close, lock. Okay, next is this part. You need to unlock and balance. Make sure that the lens facing from up. Okay. Yeah, then lock. Again, we need to balance. See, but it's totally balanced now. Okay, but still heavy in that part. So we need to move a little forward. Okay, then lock. Now, whatever you point the camera and it makes steady, it means balance. See, it's balanced. So next, this part, we need to unlock. So meaning this part is very heavy, so we need to make it in the right side. It's heavy. Little. Then now it's balanced again. And for the last part, this area. Yan. Need to make sure that it's be level like this. It's not 100% balanced, but at least it's already level. So now there's time to turn on the stabilizer. Okay. If green, meaning it's balanced, but again, we need to start the calibration, and that's still calibrating. Okay. Done. Okay. Now the balance is complete. Okay, it's complete. So we can start now and check the stabilizer. So this is the stabilizer, guys. Okay, perfectly balanced. Check all the modes. We have the mode 1, mode 2. Okay. Medium. Okay. Custom, PF. Okay. PF, pan follow. Briefcase mode. It's all okay. And yan guys, so we have a perfect balance. Sony A7S with 70-200 f2.8 version 2, and for the Ronin RS4 Pro. This is the Pro version. So, ayan guys, see. Okay, like pan, tilt. Let's try to check up, down. Okay, left, panning. So it's perfect, guys. All is working fine. So again, guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. How to balance a DJI RS4 with the Sony A7S III or any Sony from A7R, A7 III, and A9, A1 with the 70-200 f2.8 version 2. So yan guys, if you want to check the price and availability of the DJI RS4 and of course the Sony product, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. Again, if you want to visit us and check the stabilizer and camera, you can visit here in Megastore showroom. We have a demo unit. So yan guys, I think that's it for today. Thank you kay Ajit behind the camera. Yan, hanggang dito lang. Mabuhay.